Today's video is dedicated to incredible luck. Trucks, motorcycles, and animals, all in this video. On Sunday, January 24th, 2021, one of our deputies was working an extra patrol shift in the Wamsutter area when they responded to a report of multiple traffic crashes and slide-offs near mile marker 169 on Interstate 80. Driving back home after a day out, we had this near miss. Luckily, the van swerved and my dad was steady at the time. Note the oncoming lane after the hill. To be honest, I don't know what kind of country this is, so I won't say who is right or who is wrong. The author's friend did not realize his speed and flew into the oncoming lane, exactly at the moment when a pickup truck was driving there. See what happens next. Driver of a silver Mustang doesn't notice cars slowing down ahead of her. I was getting ready to move over when suddenly she brakes hard and swerved. Once I noticed she made it around, I split lanes to avoid the traffic and checked on her with a thumbs up. Today, someone had a death wish. This lady was not paying attention and just ran through a red light to take a turn. I was in a daycare semi-truck hauling a 48-foot trailer. Truck speeding, not paying attention to the speed of the vehicle in front of him, and almost caused a double accident. The driver of the van either didn't see the pickup or just a bad driver. By his inattention, he practically pushed the pickup truck into the oncoming lane. Driver made an illegal turn and then drove into oncoming traffic. Two motorcyclists barely escaped a fatal crash while passing around a deadly curve on 129 Tail of the Dragon.
Oh my. Did you get that? Record it. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Wow.
Surrealistic situation. A car was overtaking another car. At that moment, the moped driver decided to overtake it. A classic situation of carelessness on a traffic circle. The reasons for the car's future maneuver are unknown. Next, the motorcyclist catches up with the car, but the driver is okay. Apparently, another case of using a phone while driving. The icy climb caused cars to start rolling downhill, and every one of them thought they would make it.
Прикольно.
Тікай, тікай, бо щас жовтий тебе поцілує. Во.
Есть.
Turning around in a closed corner was such a bad idea. She was texting and didn't notice the car pulling up on 20 East Belleville, Quebec. An intoxicated motorcycle driver decided to run a red light. This time, he was very lucky. Good thing the author has good brakes and lights.
Whoa! Oh! Oh!
Be aware of traffic and don't ride like I did. No one was hurt or injured, only my rear tire and my pride. The guy was a little intoxicated and probably that was the reason he acted that way. The one time I let my guard down because there's a bus up ahead and thought to myself, no one wants to wait behind a bus at a red light.
Whoa!
After returning from my motorcycle accident, this is my first ride out and about and was doing something for the channel. Unfortunately, I had a too close for comfort encounter with some deer. Luckily though, I was able to maintain control and avoid an accident. Overtaking the car in this fashion was probably the wrong decision. They were both very lucky. Well, got into another close call with some deer. Braked pretty hard, but everything's all good.
Holy!
Thanks for watching, and have a great day.